Hey guys, I'm Christy with WTI. We all know that cotton swabs are a household staple. Well, check these out from MONCOM. I really like them because they are made with bamboo wood. As a result, it provides a lot of strength and control when you're using these. I really appreciate that because I use cotton swabs often when I'm painting my toenails or my fingernails. So because of their durability, I'm able to really apply pressure to get off that excess nail polish and they don't bend or break. These have a wide variety of uses. I like to use them for accurate makeup application. Another added bonus is they're made from organic cotton, so you can feel good about using them on your skin. Cleaning tight spaces. For example, I have these seams in my coffee table and I'll use these to clean out debris. These though are truly superior from the ones I was buying in the store, so you should check them out. But that's just my point of view.